Hi, welcome back to Briar Society. Today we're showing you how to turn these paper napkins into these Lotus style napkins if you want to zhuzh up your place settings a little bit. I'm using a 33 centimeter squared napkin. I would recommend this is the smallest you go because this will produce this size. So obviously bigger creates a bigger flower, but smaller would be a bit too hard to work with. So here's what you do. As you see here, I've opened out the napkin. I'm going to start by taking one corner over to the opposite corner and creating a fold line. Open that back out and do the same from the opposite corner and create that fold line again. Open it back out again. Now take your bottom right hand corner and fold it to the center point. Create that fold. And do the same for this top left-hand corner. So bring it to the center and create your fold. Now do the same thing with these two corners, bringing them into the middle. So you'll end up with a smaller square than what you started with. Now the next step is just to make basically another smaller square. So you're going to do exactly what we just did, grabbing the point of the corner and bringing it to the center point. Now do exactly the same thing again, creating an even smaller square. So taking the corners into that center point. Once your square has reached this side, we're going to flip it over and do the same thing on this side. So we're bringing the outer points to the center. This time what's slightly different is that we're going to take the outer corner and fold it only part way in on each of the four corners, like so. Okay, that's all your folding steps. You're now going to pull it into the final flower shape. So to do that, you need to pick it up carefully, and you'll see underneath you've got these flaps. You're going to grab each of these flaps one by one and pull it to the other side, like so. As you can see, that flower is starting to take shape. You just basically need to keep going. So again, if you look over the other side, you'll now see down to the next layer of flaps you created. So just pull these ones around as well. And you see there's one last layer of flaps, pull those up. And there you have it. So you've got all the flaps pulled round to the front, and now you've created your lotus. I hope you found that helpful and that you liked the video. If you did, please hit like and subscribe to see more content like this.